Hello students, this is a time to start a very interesting chapter, a new chapter, Coordinate Geometry 7th chapter. My channel name is Khandesh Srinit, class 10th standard. In this session, I am going to explain you that 7th chapter Coordinate Geometry, exercise 7.1, first bit. So please listen carefully and understand it. Before going to start exercise 7.1, one thing you have to discuss first, introduction to exercise 7.1 based on first bit. Now, in this first bit, you are going to use only one formula. What is that? Distance between 2 points. Let us take these are the 2 points A and B. Between these, whatever it may be, this is called as distance. Now, which are 2 points here? A, B. In AB, there are two coordinates, x1, y1, x2, y2. What is the formula here? Distance between 2 points. When we mix these 2 points, we get the distance. When we multiply it, AB is equal to root x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. Distance between 2 points formula is AB is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now let us start exercise 7.1 first bit. I think you could not understand this formula. When we are started to do these problems of exercise 7.1, you get a clear explanation of this formula. Now let us start. Find the distance between the following pairs of the points. Now what is given here? 2, 3 and 4, 1. Now let us take it is A and it is B. See here. It is A and it is B. A what is given here? 2, 3 and B 4, 1. See here in this A there are two coordinates. What are these? That means two numbers here. Two numbers now. Here also 2. So 2 is x1, 3 is y1, b, x2 is 4 and x1, y1 is 1 here. Now based on this, you have a formula here. Distance between 2 points, AB is equal to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now AB is equal to, what is x2 here? 4, x1, 2. 4 minus 2, that means x2 minus x1, 4 minus 2 whole square, square it is, plus y2, 1, minus, y1 means 3 here, 1 minus 3 whole square. Now, AB is equal to 4 minus 2, 2 whole square, plus 1 minus 3 here, 3 is greater, minus 3 is, now you have to do 3 minus 1, 2 now. The greater number is 3 now. What is the sign of greater number here? Minus. So minus 2. 1 minus 3. See, 1 is smaller number. So minus 2 whole square. You can't observe this minus sign. When you observe this minus sign, 1 is greater. Now let us don't observe this minus sign. 3 is greater. No. 3 minus 1, 2. Greater number has which sign? Minus sign. So minus 2. Minus 2 whole square. 2 square is nothing but 2 into 2, 4. Minus 2 whole square is nothing but minus 2 into minus 2. That means minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. Now here 2 square 4 minus 2 whole square 4. 4 plus 4 8. Root 8. Now 8 is not in the form of squares. Now let us write this root 8 is in the form of squares. When root terms are not in the form of squares, we have to multiply it by 2. 8 can be written as 2 4s are. Root 2 into 4 is equal to. Now I am separating this root terms. Root 2 into root 4. I am separating this. I have writing for 2 also root 2 and 4 also root 2. Root 2 into root 4. 4 can be written as 2 square. 2 into 2 no. 4. 2 square. Root 2 into root 2 whole square. Square root cancel here. What is remaining here? Root 2 into 2. That means 2 root 2. Root 8 can be written as AB is equal to 2 root 2. Now what is said to find out as distance between 2 points? What is the distance between these 2 points? AB distance 2 root 2. So this is our final answer. Now second one, minus 5 comma 7 and minus 1 comma 3. Now in this also we can find out distance between these 2 points. Let us write this. Minus 5 comma 7 is A and minus 1 comma 3 is B. Now based on this we can find out what is x1, y1, x2, y2. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Now let us find the distance between 2 points. What is the formula here? AB is equals to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now AB is equal to, what is x2 here? Minus 1. I have written here minus 1. Minus here as it is I have written here. What is x1 here? Again minus 5. So don't confuse it. Here minus are 2 times. So I have written here bracket minus 5. Whole bracket square plus, what is y2? 3 minus minus. Y1 is 7. 3 minus 7 whole square. Now AB is equal to root minus 1 minus into minus plus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 7 minus 4 whole square. Now AB is equal to minus 1 plus 5. So 5 is greater, no? 5 minus 1, 4. 4 whole square plus minus 4 whole square is nothing but minus 4 whole square I have written as it is. Now 4 square can be written as 4 into 4, no? 4 into 4, 16. Minus 4 whole square is nothing but minus 4 into minus 4. That means minus into minus plus 4 4 is 16. AB is equal to 16 plus 16. AB is equal to 16 plus 16, 32, root 32. Now here also 32 is not in the form of squares. How? What is in the form of squares? That means suppose root 9 is there. 9 can be written as 3 square. Square root cancel. So that is in the form of squares. Now see here 32 can't be written as in the form of squares. Now I have writing this 32 as in 2 table. 2 into 16. Now let us write this 32 is in the form of squares. AB is equal to, I have separating this root term, root 2 into root 16. 16 can be written as 4 square. Square root cancel. 16 can be written as 4 into 4. That means 4 square. Square root cancel. AB is equal to root 2 into 4. Root 2 into 4 I have written as it is. And AB is equal to root 2 into 4. 4 root 2. So this is our final answer. I have find out at this distance between these 2 points. What is the distance between these 2 points? 4 root 2. Now third one. Minus 2, minus 3 and 3 comma 2. Now I have writing these 2 terms as A and B. A minus 2 minus 3 and B 3 comma 2. Now this is x1 and this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Now let us find the distance between these 2 points. What are the points here? A and B. AB is equal to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now AB is equal to, what is x2 here? 3. x1 minus 2. 3 minus, what is x1? Minus 2 now. See here 2 minus are coming here. Minus 2. I have written bracket for not confusing. 3 minus of minus 2 whole square plus 2. What is y2? 2. Minus y1 is minus 3. So again 2 minus are coming here. Minus 3 whole square. AB is equals to root 3 minus into minus plus 2 whole square plus 2 minus into minus plus 3 whole square. Now AB is equal to 3 plus 2 5 whole square plus 2 plus 3 5 whole square. 5 can be written as 5 square is equal to 5 into 5. That means 25. 25 plus 25 50. Now here also 50 is not in the form of squares. So I have written here it is in the form of squares. 2 into 50 can be written as 2 into 25 now. Now I have separating this root terms. AB is equals to root 2 into root 25. Now 25 can be written as 5 into 5, that means 5 square. AB is equals to root 2 into root 5. Root 25 can be written as 5 square now. 5 whole square. Square root cancel. What is answer? AB is equals to root 2 into 5. That means AB is equals to 5 root 2. This is our final answer. So this is a distance between these 2 points. What are the points here? A and B. Now fourth one is A comma B and minus A comma minus B. Now let us write. In previous problems he given here numbers. Now he given here alphabets. That too small alphabets. Now I am writing this is A term and this is a B term. Now I have separating this x1 and y1 and x2 and y2. What is the formula here? AB is equals to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is x2 here? Minus A. Minus y1. x1 is A. So minus A minus x1 is A. Minus A whole square plus y2 is minus B. y1 is B. So y2 minus y1 no. y2 minus B minus y1 means B. Minus B whole square. Now AB is equals to minus A minus 2A whole square. That means minus A when we add minus 2A it will become. Here also minus B when we add it become minus 2B. Minus 2B whole square. Now minus 2A can be written whole square is value is minus 2A into minus t. Square means we have to multiply the same term 2 times. Minus 2A into minus 2A. That means minus into minus plus 2 into 2 4. A into A square 4A square. Minus 2B means whole square means minus 2B into minus 2B. That means minus into minus plus 4 2 2s are 4. B into B square. AB is equal to 4A square plus 4B square. Now AB is equals to, now see here, in this 4 is common. So I am separating it. Root 4 bracket of A square plus B square. I have separating this 4 term. I have, see here, 4 whole A square plus B square, close the bracket, root 4 into A square plus B square. Now I am separating this root term for 4 and A square plus B square. Root 4 into root A square plus B square. Now AB is equal to 4 can be written as 2 square. 2 square is nothing but 4 no. 2 square root cancel. 2 into A square root A square plus B square. So this is our distance between these 2 points. That means between these two AB points, what is the distance? Root 2 root A square plus B square. So if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe it. And if you not liked this channel, so give me a thumbs up. And if you're not shared this video, please keep sharing. The more you share, the more you get. So that's what we are doing here. Thank you so much for watching.